How to turn off Snapchat friend suggestions notifications. Hello and welcome back to official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the notification for that. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat app and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Then tap onto your Bitmoji icon on your top left. In order to turn off the notification for friend suggestions, tap on settings icon on your top right. Under here, you will see notifications, tap open it. Then you will see friend suggestions. Uncheck this box. Just like so, this is how you can do it. If you would like to turn off the notifications for mentions as well, uncheck this box. You can do so on for other features as well. And that is how you can turn off the notification. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.